Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem in Photoshop. I guess that's the reason why you click on this video already. And so basically this is the error that I'm guessing that you guys are getting, that could not place the image at blah 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 because of SOFn. So if you're getting that error, well, this is the video for you. Make sure to stay tuned, make sure to like, comment and share, and please comment down below if this video helped you or not, and give it a like and make sure to subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So you get this message and you get frustrated and you're saying, how do I fix this? You try to rename it from JPEG to PNG or from PNG to JPEG back and all that, but it's pretty simple. So all you need to do is go to find that photo, double click, open it up, click right click, click copy, and then you just click Ctrl V in Photoshop and there is the image just like that. Pretty quick tutorial, I know, but that's just basically it. That's the only way around it, and this works for me for now. But if I run into other issues, I'll try to get a way around it, because you don't need to go any more deeper than this because this worked for me and I hope this worked for you. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. It's been a real quick tutorial, I know, but yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Make sure to subscribe if you guys like this video, and make sure to leave a comment down below if this video helped you or not. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.